Welcome to this course on how to use ChatGPT in agriculture. This training is designed for beginners who want practical, realistic ways to use AI in farm planning, agronomy, livestock operations, communication, reporting, and agricultural education. You do not need coding skills and you do not need expensive equipment. In this course, I will show you 25 useful prompt ideas, explain where ChatGPT is genuinely helpful and also where it should be used with caution. The goal is simple: help you save time, think more clearly, and use AI as a practical assistant in agricultural work.